Hello students, in the previous class we have seen sound blocks in Scratch and today we will see adding sound. If we want to add sound in our program, so we can add. We can use Scratch library of sound to add sound, or if we want to add sound from our own, so we can record our own sound and add in the program. So let's see how to add sound in the program. You can add sounds to your program to make it more fun. You can use the Scratch library of sounds, or you can record your own. Click on the Sounds tab at the top of the screen, this one. Then click on the sound icon for choose sound from library. The sound library will appear. You can try out different sounds and select one for your project. You can also use the microphone icon to record a new sound. Be sure to give your new sound a name. Use the button with the circle to start recording and the button with the square to stop the recording. Click on the script tab to return to your scripts. Then click on the sound menu. You can use the play sound until done block to play the sound you have selected or recorded. You can also use the play note and rest blocks to create music. The play note blocks require two numbers. The number on the left determines the pitch of the note. It should be between 15 and 130. Instead of entering a number, you can also select a piano key on the pop-up menu. The number on the right determines the length of the note. It can be any positive number. So this block is used to play any sound till its length. The rest block can also be used to separate notes. During the rest, no sound is played. The number in the rest block is the length of the rest. It can be any positive number. Next, sprite properties. A Scratch program contains sprites, characters that perform on stage. Sprites and the stage have three kinds of properties or settings. First is scripts. These are the instructions that control a sprite. Scripts are made from blocks. If there are multiple sprites on the stage, you can select a sprite to code or see its script. So, for each sprite on stage, a separate script is created. Script is this instruction or program that we write for the sprite, and sprite follow those instruction and perform action. Next, costumes or backgrounds. Costumes are outfits for a sprite. The same sprite can have several costumes and so be made to look completely different. You will learn about costumes in next class. The stage can have different backgrounds which can be changed. Backgrounds are just like costumes for the stage. We have seen how to change background in this chapter. Costume is the outfit or clothes of the sprite that we can change. Sounds. These are sounds that sprites or the stage can use. Again, each sprite or the stage can have many different sounds. Scratch lets you import, bring in recorded sounds or even record your own using a microphone. So we can add sound also in our program that we have seen